Hello and welcome to Instant Insights. At GlobalData Strategic Intelligence, we track over 100 tech, industry, ESG, and macro themes impacting all major sectors. I'm Emma Sturdee, and today I'm joined by my colleagues Megan Jenkins and Valentina Aparicio to talk about what the tech sector will look like in 2035. Hi, Megan and Valentina. So you were part of the team that worked on our Tech in 2035 report. This report examines how technologies like artificial superintelligence, quantum computing, polyfunctional robots, batteries, and brain-computer interfaces will transform people's lives over the next 10 years. Megan, which topics did you cover in the report?
So I covered small modular reactors, or SMRs, which are a type of nuclear reactor that typically have a power capacity of up to 300 megawatts. They're designed to be modular, meaning that their components can be mass produced in factories and then transported to installation sites. This significantly reduces time and costs in comparison with traditional large nuclear reactors, making them align with corporate energy needs. There are only three SMRs currently in operation globally, two in Russia and one in China, but there are 279 in the pipeline, and we predict that by 2035, global SMR capacity will reach 10,000 megawatts. Like traditional nuclear plants, SMRs generate electricity 24/7 and are considered a low carbon energy source, meaning that they will be crucial in decarbonisation efforts.
Thanks, Megan. And Valentina, what about you? What topics did you cover?
I've focused on gene editing, specifically CRISPR-Cas9. This technology works like molecular scissors that can cut and repair DNA, allowing scientists to remove or repair faulty genes. So by 2035, it's expected to be routinely used in hospitals to treat genetic diseases, in agriculture to create pest-resistant crops, and in pharmaceuticals to design more precise and effective drugs.
Thank you. And what did you find most interesting in your research and analysis while you were doing this report?
So recently, there has been a lot of investment into SMRs, particularly from tech giants such as Google and Amazon, and they plan to use SMRs to power their data centers, which consume large volumes of electricity. So these SMRs are predicted to come online in the early to mid 2030s. However, while there has been a lot of hype around SMRs, they are still a fairly new technology with a limited operational track record. This makes them a riskier investment, as the proposed benefits of SMRs have yet to be substantiated by real-world long-term examples.
Thank you. And Valentina, what did you find most interesting in your research and analysis?
What stood out the most was how quickly the technology is advancing. So by 2027, AI tools are expected to optimize CRISPR design, improving accuracy and reducing unintended edits. New delivery methods like lipid nanoparticles will make in vivo treatments safer and more effective. By 2035, therapies that used to take years to develop could be designed and delivered in weeks, transforming rare one-off treatments into more routine care.
That all sounds really interesting. And so, which technologies overall do you guys think are the most important and crucial for industries to understand ahead of 2035?
I think artificial superintelligence is particularly important. It will be this century's biggest technological breakthrough, impacting all industries and helping them solve their biggest and most enduring challenges. It's definitely a technology we should all try to understand.
But alongside CRISPR, AI will definitely be critical. AI is transforming how CRISPR-Cas9 is designed and applied by scanning the genome to find the best DNA targets while avoiding harmful off-target errors. By 2035, AI is expected to also enable therapies to be designed in weeks instead of years, making gene editing more precise and accelerating it from rare disease trials to mainstream use.
Thank you. And how do you think this report will help our clients?
Our report examines 15 different technologies in detail, including their benefits, use cases, risks, and opportunities. This makes it really comprehensive and will give our clients a competitive advantage for the future.
The report also covers broader trends like demographics, climate, and geopolitics. By linking these together, it gives clients a clearer view of how the world may evolve by 2035 and the implications for company strategies.
Well, that's sadly, I think all we have time for today. But thank you very much, Valentina and Megan, for joining me on this podcast to discuss your report. I have definitely learned something new and hope our audience did too. You can find our Tech in 2035 report on the Intelligence Centre and in the report saw. And on the 9th of October 2025, we're also hosting a webinar to discuss this report. The link is below in the description if you want to sign up and hear our analysts talk more about the technologies that will reshape our lives over the next 10 years. Thanks for listening, and from us in Strategic Intelligence, see you next time.